Hello everybody. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on what we talked about today with my A team in regards to this syllabus. For the most part, I'm just going to let you guys read through this syllabus on your own. Remember, you need to show that to a parent or a guardian tonight and have them read through it too. You guys can prove this to me by either having a picture, a selfie with you and your parent or guardian giving the thumbs up and post that on Padlet, or you guys can have your parent or guardian email me from their email address telling me that they read the syllabus with you. I've already had a couple kids do that and I appreciate it. So basically this video is for those kids in the B cohort who have yet to see me this week and those who are DLI and have yet to see me at all this year. So basically what I'm going to show you guys is what your teams look like and how I'm going to post assignments to them every week. Okay, so you guys will be able to find your assignments for the week in two ways. First off, if you look on Teams, every day I will post what you guys are supposed to be doing for the day. In fact, I'm not just going to do this every day, but I'm going to do this at the beginning of the week. So if you guys look, here's today's assignment, okay? In that assignment, it says right here, this is for people in A to do in class, for the B cohort, and for my DLI kiddos. So today, all three of my kids, basically all of my students that have me for science, are going over the syllabus, having their parents email me or posting a picture to Padlet, and then they're setting up their notebook, okay? So today at home, you guys should watch this video on how to set up your notebook, and then here's your guys' syllabus to show your parent as well, okay? If you guys notice then that tomorrow, I've already posted tomorrow's assignment as well. Okay, if you guys click see more, you can see it, okay? Since I already went through this with my A kids, today I'm just gonna address B and DLI. So if you guys are a B kid and I don't see you till Thursday, Friday, I won't go over this with you. This is your guys' lesson for today. Okay, B only, you guys will see here's 3 pictures you guys need to add to your notebook. You guys can watch the video on how to add them, and then there's 2 lessons you need to watch. So below, you again have your 3 pictures, and that video that you watched yesterday, Tuesday, to show you guys how to set up your notebook should show you guys how to get these 3 pictures into your notebook. Make sure you guys get them on the correct page. And then your guys also will have the King Henry metric system videos to watch. There's 2 parts to that video. It should take you guys about 20 minutes to learn how to work this metric conversion chart. If you guys are DLI today, you guys have a completely different assignment. Since I won't see you guys will be doing a Who Are You Padlet. So you will need to post to the Padlet, or if Padlet is an issue, please contact me about what you guys can do and replace a Padlet. But you guys will introduce yourself. So you guys have 5 options to introduce yourself. You need to choose 2 of them. So tell me which 2 you're choosing. Go on to Padlet, send me a selfie so I can see what your face looks like. I don't get to see this every day, so that bums me out. And then choose your 2 things and tell me a little bit about yourself using those 2 things, okay? If you guys look on Thursday, you guys will see A and DLI are paired up. So you guys, DLI kids are doing the same thing that A is going to be doing Thursday when they're at home. And B, you guys will be in class tie-dyeing masks. Okay? And then finally Friday, you guys will see that A, B, and DLI are all doing the same thing. So there's things you need to add to your notebook. There is a lesson you need to watch, and then there's a worksheet with some examples that you can also watch being done. So I'll let you guys kind of explore that. The other thing I want to talk about is those of you who are B, okay? If you are my B cohort, you are more than welcome to do your Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday assignment for the week. But please wait until you come to class Thursday and Friday to do your Thursday and Friday. So just because I post Thursday and Friday at the beginning of the week, please do not do them in advance. But again, you're more than welcome to do your 3 remote days of learning in advance and get those done early. DLI kids, you guys can work at your own pace, and you're more than welcome to work ahead of time for all 5 of your assignments since you guys are doing them on a different aspect than other kids, okay? I hope that clears that up. But the last thing I want to show you guys, and if you were in my advisor, I sent this out to your parents, and then it's also on my Clever page. So if you guys go into Clever, You guys should be getting this link either from your advisor teacher, or again, if you don't have it and you want to check it out, you guys can come and get that for me. So if you go to Clever, you guys would go to my page, Miss Crofutt's Lab, and you guys would see this first link for 7th and 8th, depending on what other you guys are, is your guys' weekly work. So 7th Life Science weekly work or 8th Life Science weekly work. So if you guys open that up, you guys will get this sheet that is emailed to your parents every week, and it might even be emailed to you guys, okay? It looks kind of complicated at first, but you guys only have one column in this chart to focus on. So if you guys are the A cohort I talked to you today, your only focus is this teal color right here. If you guys are B cohort, so you come to school Thursday, Friday, and you're remote Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you guys just focus on this gold column that's right in the middle. And if you are DLI, just focus on this last purple column. And that tells you guys just everything you're doing for the week. No school Labor Day, Tuesday syllabus and OneNote setup, Wednesday who are you Padlet assignment, Thursday King Henry metric conversion lesson, and then Friday your guys' measurement notes and your metric mania worksheet. Okay, if you guys have any questions of that, again, this is every week. It's updated and it's linked to my Clever. It's also emailed to you guys through your advisor teachers. But any questions on that, please let me know, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day.